Hello, this is Carlo, and you are watching Carlo and
So
Seb
here's the
channel.
project bag that we are going to start working on. As we can see, this part is peeling, so we're gonna work on that. Good thing the other side it's not. So I just use a water wipes. I'm not using acetone or anything, and it's coming off already. As you can see that, I'm just rubbing it in and it's coming off, so which is nice. So I don't know if you see that, but there you go. So I hope you can see this, that I'm just rubbing it in and it's coming off, so which is good. We don't really need to use any harsh chemical like the acetone. So I'm going to just do this for a little bit, and then so that's what we're getting from this. This one is my personal use anyway, so that's why it's okay for me to do this, because I'm the one who's going to use this anyways. So yeah, this one I tried doing this already for a little bit, 3 times 4 times that I've gotten something like this, like the Speedy. I did this one on the Speedy. I did this one already for the Marley that I got. So this is only wet wipes. So that's the good thing about this one. This is just a wet wipes that you can use. So this is the only part that's peeling anyways on this bag. So yeah, halfway done. So I'm going to keep on doing this, and then I'm going to show you the end product of it. So I'm going to get another water wipes. Water wipes is 99.9 water and 0.01 of whatever it is. There's no alcohol on this one, so that's why I really like to use it. And most of the cobblers that I see on YouTube, this is what they use to clean their bags. So yeah, there you go. So we're halfway done, and that one is only about less than 3 minutes of working on this one. I hope that this one is useful. The hard part now is the corner. So we're going to try to do that, because um, you don't wanna bend too much of the bag. So I'm just going to keep on rubbing it. It's coming off anyways. It's just being patient. So I got this one from J-Ports, like I said. So that's that. And I thought it was a red one, but apparently it's orange. Oh, it's not so hard to really go into the corner of it. We're almost done, actually, because if you're going to look at it, it's almost done. Just the one in the corner there, and then that's it. I was kind of like thinking that it's gonna be hard to clean, but not really. Probably it's just waiting for me to just do this, I guess, right? For me to have this bag, so that it will have some TLC of it. So let's see. Okay, a little bit more. I'll change this one to the other part of it, that it's not soaked yet. Wow, I'm impressed. that's it. A little bit of muscle power and a little bit of fine motor coordination, sequencing and stuff like that, and we're able to manage to clean this bag up. I will show it to you. Let me just really fully clean the corner so we're not going back on that anymore. Okay, so and then I'll clean this up just to take out all the so there you go. There you have it. That's how I clean up the lining of the bag. So that's the part that's coming off anyways. A while ago it was peeling orange, but now it's all clear. So the only thing I need to do is to dry this up, and then we should be okay and ready. And then I'll just let it dry because it's soaking wet right now, and I don't want this part to be peeling too, because what I'm going to do on this one, like I said a while ago, was I'm going to color the outer part of it black. So I'll let it dry, and then yeah, and then we're good to go. Thank you very much for watching.